everyone. Happy Thursday. Hope all is well. So today we're going to continue on with counting, and today we're really going to focus on counting on. Can you say that with me? Counting on. And what that means is like when we're adding more. If you remember from our last lesson, I drew a picture of a river and we drew rocks to get from one side to the other. And that's what we're going to be doing, counting on by adding more. But again, it's really important to know that numbers have to stay in order. We don't skip numbers because remember, every number has a value. So let's quickly practice our counting. Close your fist and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, my friend. All right, so you ready to begin? Okay. So here I have my whiteboard. And I'm just going to draw some things. And then we're going to practice counting on by adding more images. So let's begin. So I'll start with do it like this so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to draw some socks. So as you know, when we wear socks, we always wear two, right? So let's draw. Okay. Excellent. So here I have some socks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me with your hands. I have 4 fingers. I'm going to add another pair of socks. So that means I'm going to draw 2 more. So what was the number I left off on? 4. We already know we had 4. So now I'm going to count on. I'm not going to have to start all over because I know that where I stopped counting was 4. So I'm going to count on 5, 6. So I have 6. Excellent. Good job. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Okay. So I'm going to erase this. So that's counting on. So let's try something else. Let's draw some stars, okay? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add more stars. What was the last number I stopped counting at? 3. So let's count on and add 2 more stars. So we stopped at 3, 4, 5. So that's counting on. I'm not starting all over. I know my last number was 3, so I just counted on 4 and 5. But here I have 2. That's counting on, okay? 3, 4, 5. Excellent. All right, let's try something else. Oops. My earpiece is falling off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 4 circles. Let's add 1 more circle, but let's first count out. Let's count how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add 1 more circle. This was 4, so by adding 1 more, what does that give me? What's the number right after 4? 5. Excellent. So that's 5, okay? So that's counting on where we stopped. We pick up, and the number that comes right after, that's where we start counting, okay? Let's try it again. This time I'm going to draw some squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 squares. I want to add 2 more squares. 2 more squares. If I stopped at 5, right? I'm not going to go from the beginning because I know this was 5. So I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7. So now I have a total of 7. Okay, everyone? Let's try 1 more. This time, let's use our hands because I think that might help us too to better understand if we see it for ourselves. So everyone right now, let's put up our fist. Okay, so let's start with 1 fist. Ready? Put up 2 fingers. Good. Let's count how many fingers we have up. 1, 2. That's 2. Now add 1 more. Good. By adding 1 more, what does that give us? What's the number right after 2? 3. Excellent. Let's try it again. Ready? Please put up 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 1 more. And what does that give us? What's the number right after 4? 5. Excellent. Now let's try with the 2 fists. Ready? Put up 5 fingers on one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add 1 more. We're going to use the other hand next. We have no more fingers here, right? So count on. What's the number right after 5? 6. Counting on. Right after 5 comes 6. Excellent. So you can practice that. your mom or dad, what you guys can do today, you can say, oh, what's the number that comes right after 2? 3. What's the number that comes after 4? 5. And you can practice that counting on concept to really understand it. Okay, guys? I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.